Our lesson objectives today are to be able to say what you can do in your area, to say what you can't do in your area, and to complete a writing task all about a town called Aberystwyth. First of all then, let's look at some of the words you will need for today's lesson. So the question is, beth sydd i'w wneud yn yr ardal, which means what is there to do in the area. So the words we're looking at today are gallwch chi, which is you can, and gallwch chi ddim, which is you cannot. Once more, gallwch chi ddim. Now, gallwch chi causes a soft mutation, so the first letter of a word that goes after it will sometimes be different to what you expect it to be. Now, if you think that this is a little bit too difficult for you, then you don't have to do the mutations. But if you would like to do it, the soft mutation is, rule with this one is that if a verb starting with one of the following letters, okay, follow gallwch chi, then the first letter changes, okay? So a doing word, okay? For example, mynd, which is to go. Gallwch chi mynd would change to gallwch chi fynd. Remember now then that the letters in Prestatyn High School, we remember goes, please take care, big dangerous gorillas, llamas, monkeys and rhinos. So beth, what is it that you can do in your area? Let's have a look at some of the words. Gallwch chi, or gallwch chi ddim, bysgota. Gallwch chi mynydda. Gallwch chi gadw'n heini, keep fit. Gallwch chi fynd i nofio. Gallwch chi beicio mynydd. Gallwch chi siopa. Gallwch chi fynd i'r llyfrgell. Gallwch chi chwarae golff. Gallwch chi fynd i'r clwb karate. Well done. Let's go over those words again then. Pysgota, mynydda, mynd i nofio, beicio mynydd, siopa, mynd i'r llyfrgell, chwarae golff, mynd i'r clwb karate, cadw'n heini. Right, if you haven't been repeating after me, then have a go at doing now, please. Let's try them again. Pysgota, cadw'n heini, mynydda, mynd i nofio, beicio mynydd, siopa, chwarae golff, mynd i'r clwb karate, mynd i'r llyfrgell. Da iawn chi. Okay, task 1 heddiw ta. Task 1 today is to play a game of Kahoots. So I want you all to go to the website, which is just there, please, to play a game against the other pupils in your class. Now, every class will have a different game pin, okay? So your teacher will have put the game pin that you need onto this slide before you get it, okay? Enjoy! The second task today is to read the speech bubbles on the next slide and to fill in the grid on your Word document with your answers about who says what. There is a Word document for this lesson as well, and that's where I'd like you to do this work, please. Now on your Word document, you will have this grid. Your job is to tick or highlight next to the person who says the sentence. So, if Sarah says the first one, gallwch chi feicio mynydd yn yr ardal, you put a tick in the grid next to Sarah for that sentence. I'm sure you understand this already, guys. And the last task for today is a writing task. On the next slide you will see a poster all about Aberystwyth. Now Aberystwyth is a town on the coast in mid Wales. Some of you may have been there, maybe on holiday. Your task is to write a paragraph in Welsh to advertise the area and to say what you can do there. There are plenty of suggestions on the poster of things that you can include. Now I'd like you please to remember to use the sentences yn Aberystwyth mae, in Aberystwyth there is, and yn Aberystwyth gallwch chi, in Aberystwyth you can. So here's the poster. You can see the bullet points here. Mae tram, castell, lan y môr, canolfan hamdden, parc, siopau. There are other things there as well. If you like, you can do a little bit of research online. And there's a university there, for example. There are nice places to go for a walk. There's a mountain there. There's loads of things you can do there. So your job is to write a paragraph all about Aberystwyth to advertise the area. I want you to use full sentences, please, not just copy what was on the poster. And try to use the vocabulary which is on the Word document as well. Now in this grid you can see some little things to help you as well. Some connectives, some qualifiers, some idioms, reasons, comparisons and opinions as well. We're really looking forward to see extended sentences here. Diolch yn fawr, blwyddyn wyth.